Hi guys, I'm Melody and for today, I'm accepting this challenge.
These are the consequences. First is the soju, patis or the fish sauce, toyo or soy sauce, vinegar, chocolate, but it's not like a consequence. Yeah. Okay, let's proceed the challenge. Never have I ever met up with someone from a dating app.
Never.
Never have I ever slept with someone on the first date.
Never.
Never. Never have I ever gone on a date just to make someone else jealous. Nagawa mo na yun. Bilisan mo na. Nagawa mo na, di ba? Oh.
Wala. Wait lang.
Hala,
So,
ito yung pangalawa.
Ito patis.
Yeah, fish sauce. Fish sauce. Sarap. Woo. Sarap! Oh my God! Pwede kang kumain para maano siya.
Teka.
Baso fish. Never have I ever talked about my ex on a first date.
Kasi hindi may iwasan, di ba, yung ano.
Oo, totoo naman. Siyempre, gusto din
Get
nilang
to know each
malaman
other,
kung ano bang
yeah.
pinagdaanan mo sa buhay.
Ano to?
Never have I ever said, I'd call but never bothered. I have. Sige, kaya mo yan. Musi mo yan.
Toyo naman. Malala pati.
Kahit tikim lang. Huwag mo namang gawing huwag mo gawing chaser. Never have I ever deleted a chat conversation so my boyfriend wouldn't see it. Gawa mo na? Sige, tama yan. Kaya mo yan.
Smoothy yun eh. Wala, chocolate.
Taray, chocolate. Then, never have I ever humiliated myself on a date.
Never.
Never. Never have I ever gotten too drunk. Ano daw?
Ano eh. Hindi ko mapili. Wala, vinegar.
Sarap na, pang-apat. Ba't ganun tama yung vinegar? Uy, sarap! Never have I ever shaved my body hair down there. Down there. Sabi ko nga eh.
Chocolate na naman.
Hala. Never have I ever tasted dog or cat food.
Never.
Never. Never have I ever lumighay sa harap ng stranger.
Ayun. Hindi naman sinasadya. Excuse me naman. Vinegar. Asin.
Mo. Ay. Never have I ever laughed so hard to the point na napaihi ka na.
Never.
Never. Never have I ever kissed with someone and kept it as a secret.
Never.
Never. Word.
Never.
Never.
Totoo.
Defensive siya, never.
Ay, mamaya na.
Never have I ever, may ginawa kang sobrang nakakahiya sa public, na kapag inisip mo yun, nakikringe ka. Yeah. Sige. Elan.
Yung nagkalat ako ng lasing kasi ako nun eh.
Uy! Oh.
Tapos, kasama ko yung mga kaibigan ko. Tapos, nagkalat ako ng basura.
Basura. Grabe siya malasing.
Hindi kasi,
Maui ka
pinagtripan din
daw.
kasi ako noon, inutos-utusan din ako. Kalat mo yan.
Never have I ever nag-swimming ng nakahubad.
Never.
Never have I ever umihi sa swimming pool as an adult, ha?
Never.
Nag-swimming ka, hindi ka umihi? Talaga ba? Ako gawain ko rin. Hindi, seryoso, hindi mo nila alam eh. Never have I ever, parang sinagot mo yung boss mo.
Nagawa ko na yun.
Toro, ang tapang.
Kasi
Ang tapang niya. Kailan?
Nasa tama naman talaga ako.
Anong nangyari nun?
Na, kumbaga may accuse may ginawa ko na
Hindi naman talaga.
mm,
Meron yan. So, bigyan kita ng sound cue. Never have I ever quietly farted in public. You have. Mutot in public, ikaw, nagawa mo na yun everyday. Okay. Kailan nangyari yun? Araw-araw ba? Araw-araw ba yun?
yung alam.
Yung umutot ka sa public?
Hindi naman.
Hindi naman. Medyo lang. Hindi naman araw-araw. Kumbaga may ano.
Kumbaga, hindi naman kasi ako araw-araw nasa public.
Sa bagay, may point. Never have I ever na hindi nagpalit ng underwear parang buong isang araw. You have? Sige, sabi mo you have eh. As in, ilang days inaabot yun?
Hindi, isa lang.
Isang araw lang ba? Akala ko mga 2 days.
Soju, ano ba yan?
Never have I ever kinakagat pa yung mga daliri. I mean yung kuko. As an adult. Never.
Never.
Toroy, never. Never have I ever used someone else's toothbrush. Jowa. Yes, of course.
Never.
Never? Kuwari kahit emergency na wala kang ano. Hindi.
Never.
Yeah, it's very not hygienic. Ito tayo sa dirty question. Never have I ever been looking at something like this.
Chocolate.